What is biomass? What is biomass energy? How does biomass work? And examples of biomass. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our 100 of conceptual lectures for free. Now, what is biomass? Well, all the organic materials made from plants and animals are known as a biomass. Examples of biomass are wood, crops, animal manure, some garbage, etc. The word bio means life and mass means all these things are materials. Biomass is renewable source of energy. It means we can use biomass again and again in order to generate energy. Now the second important question is that why we study biomass or why is biomass important? The answer is very simple. Biomass is important because it contains stored energy. For instance, we know that wood is biomass. When you burn it in fireplace, you get heat energy from the wood. Thus we say that all the biomass materials contain stored energy. Now how is biomass produced or from where they get energy? Well, we know that plants absorb the sun's energy in a process called photosynthesis. Plants store some amount of this energy in various parts. The stored energy in plants is known as a chemical energy. Thus, all the biomass like crops, vegetables, and wood contain chemical energy. For instance, potatoes contain stored chemical energy. When you eat it, what you get? Well, you get the chemical energy of the potatoes. Similarly, when you burn wood, the stored energy or chemical energy of the wood is converted into heat energy according to the law of conservation of energy. Therefore, we usually say biomass energy. Now, what is biomass energy? The energy usually obtained by burning biomass materials is known as a biomass energy. There are many methods used for the conversion of biomass into energy, but the most common are direct combustion and fermentation. In direct combustion process, we burn the biomass materials, while in fermentation process, we convert biomass into useful energy under the bacterial actions. For instance, by fermentation process, we can convert sugar or glucose into alcohol like ethanol. In many countries like Brazil, ethanol is used as biofuels in vehicles. While in direct combustion process, biomass materials like wood, animal manure are directly burned in a combustor or furnace to generate hot gases, which is then fed into boiler to generate steam and run steam turbines. By this way, we can generate mechanical energy or electrical energy from biomass materials. Once electrical energy is generated by this way, it can then be converted into other forms of energy like light energy, heat energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, etc. Thus, we therefore say that biomass is a potential source of energy. Finally, let me teach you that what are the advantages of biomass energy. Well, there are many advantages of biomass energy. For example, biomass energy is renewable source of energy, means it can be used again and again. Secondly, it is environmentally friendly source of energy. It doesn't eject or produce pollutant gases like nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, etc. Thirdly, it is a cheap source of energy. It requires low initial investment. After that, very minimum capital and resources are required to run the farm. Fourthly, alternate form of petroleum. Fifthly, available throughout the year. It means that we can utilize biomass energy throughout the year. Some renewable energy sources like solar and wind energy can be utilized at certain periods and certain days in a year, but biomass energy is available throughout the year. This was all about biomass and biomass energy. If you have learned something new in this video, then like this video and subscribe our channel for more conceptual lectures. Thank you very much for watching this video.